That British Superbike Championship means the world to me.
I want to be BSB champion. I wouldn't leave Australia. I didn't think I had a chance.
To be BSB champion is a major career goal, you know, it would mean a lot.
Obviously, I wouldn't be sat here and I wouldn't be sat on the grid if I didn't think I could win.
Last year it come down to the wire, last race, last lap of the championship. You need every single point you can get.
We're selfish bike racers and we want it for ourselves.
Life's a race, I'm gonna win. Yes, I'm gonna win.
What a baptism of fire it could be. Kirkham cuts underneath, heads for the finishing line, and it's Kirkham who grabs victory at the 11th hour.
Whatever it takes, don't pull ahead. I'll keep up the pace, and I'll reveal my strength.
Oh, and I think Kirkham went down.
I'm a little bit concussed and confused. I didn't even know it was at a racetrack. I bit through my tongue, so it's a little bit sore.
Vengeance is mine, and I won't give in.
Go on, Chris, with all due respect. Look at this. What a ride. Chris Walker, for the 21st time in British Superbikes, takes a fabulously applauded victory here at Old Park. Where did that come from? Now he tries to elbow Norrie out the way. Tommy Hill grabs victory, his hat-trick this weekend.
Sticking around in like 5th place isn't where we need to be.
Shaky, local boy done good.
Kat Green has become the first woman to win a race in the British Championship.
Oh, no, just a minute. And it's going to be victory for Glenn Richards. Takes it.
The topic of conversation here in Parc Fermé at the moment, quite bizarrely, seems to be about a squirrel.
Poor little thing.
Does my bum look big in this? That wasn't like you. You qualified, but oh dear God.
You know what I don't understand? It's Chinese riding.
Italian team, I don't understand them, they don't understand me. We just gel.
There's some massive news, Tony. Coming to the grid on the sighting lap, Tommy Hill has dropped the bike.
Shaky burn, mono wheels across the line. Josh goes through, Josh goes through. Brooks is going to win it. Ahead of number 67, a furious Shaky burn. Alex Lawes goes to the inside line of Shaky burn. This is it. 3 races at Montage to decide the British champion of 2012.